What's going on, guys? We're drifting today. It's the first event here at our local track in Cedar Rapids. And it's actually beautiful weather. It's been cold up until this point, and today it's supposed to be like high 70s, maybe a little too warm, but I'll take it over some cold weather. We got the car out, just had it dynoed yesterday. She's making good power, so we'll see how she does with the extra boost we added, and it's gonna be a fun weekend. Alright guys, so the car's been running great. Of course, I've sucked at filming, but hopefully I got enough footage for you guys to enjoy. The car's been over boosting a little bit for some reason. We're hitting 20 to 21 pounds of boost instead of the 18 we had it set to on the dyno. It's also idling high for some reason, but it seems like maybe it's just the throttle not closing all the way. So I turned down the boost a little bit. I turned down the fuel pressure a little bit because it was way too rich in the mid-range. Just kind of tinkering with it, trying to clean it up. But other than that, it's been running fantastic. It frickin' shreds. There was a big entry competition during the intermission, so I'll insert those clips here. yeah, so I actually ended up winning the big entry comp, which is super cool. It's the first time I've ever actually won anything drifting. You know, I've gotten up there in the bracket before, but never actually won. So this is super cool. It was a lot of fun. I did kill a whole set of tires in those 4 laps, so wasn't really a cost-effective competition, but it was a lot of fun. So I did a few more laps throughout the rest of the night. Nothing crazy, just chilling, having fun with all the boys. We had a good time after the track was cold. It was a good time. Woke up Sunday morning, got some breakfast, took the car out, was tandeming with one of my buddies in a LS240, and the 3rd lap out, the wheel decided to yeet itself, so that's awesome. The car's now stuck out on track. I gotta pack up the trailer, drive it out on the track, find a way to get the car loaded up. It'll be fun.